Hello everybody and welcome back to the Philosopher's Brewery and Fermentory. My name's Tom and today we have a mystery to solve. Inside this carboy is a mystery liquid started at the end of June of 2021. My aunt and uncle brought it over knowing that my cousin had started some Christmas gifts last year, but he is out and about right now, so I get the luxury of seeing what's inside. Who's with me? You ready? Let's get to work. So according to the reading, it came out at 1.028. It could mean two or more things. It came out at 70%-ish attenuation, or the yeast is stuck. But after, I'd say, August of 2021, I can't think the yeast would be stuck. So I'm hoping that there will still be sweetness once we taste this, and we won't have to add more sugar, which could, if the yeast re-energizes itself, could rework and, make a bottle bomb, which would be the worst thing that could happen. That would be bad. But let's first take a taste and see what happens. Man, it smells like maple syrup. Smells potent. Let's see. That's pretty good. It tastes like maple syrup, water, and yeast. That's awesome. I could drink this all day. All right. Well, to my cousin who made this, you did a great job. To my aunt and uncle, thank you for giving me the chance to put these in bottles, because that's what we're going to do next. We're going to take maybe some of these bottles, definitely all of these bottles, and put this into those. Okay? I might sip on this for a little bit longer and then I'll bottle. All right, see you in a bit. the mystery's over. It looks like we have ourselves a maple syrup wine, and I am so thrilled and honored that my aunt and uncle allowed me to crack this thing open, throw it into some bottles so that we could save it for later. And I can't wait to sip on this over the holiday season. And thank you so much for watching the Philosopher's Brewery and Fermentary. My name's Tom. I hope to see you next time. Thanks again.